Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is a great property located just a mere 5 minutes walk from Prospect Beach, situated in the developing community known as East Prospect. This promising house sits on a lot of approximately 16,600 square feet. The house consists of 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, living room, dining room, study, a foyer, washroom, balconies and veranda. It is fully grilled and has a 2-car garage. Here, you can add your personal touch to the home as it is about 85% completed. It is ideal for an extended family home, a combination of home and a rental, or could be an investment property for holiday or Airbnb rental. There is enough land space for a pool, garden, and fruit trees. Options and potentials are great. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. In price for this house is Jamaican 49 million or US $318.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.